how to download PPT from Canva. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can download a PPT presentation from Canva. So firstly, when you have a PPT presentation open, well then after that, of course you guys can skip the initial few minutes. I will just simply open up a PPT over here. So I will just simply choose a very nice theme, and then once I have this theme opened up, now from over here, as you guys can see that we have this presentation opened up. Now we can add in more pages over here, as many pages as we want, and then once we have all our requirements done, we can just simply click on the top right on share, and then after that we can simply click on download, and then now from over here we can download this particular PPT presentation in PDF format, and we can just simply download it onto our computer. We can also click on present, and we can simply present this particular PPT presentation as well while using Canva to all of our viewers, or to all of your group, or to your class as well. So like, it all depends upon you how you want to, of course, save it. You also have other options as well to save it. You can also save it in JPEG form, but of course that's not good for presentations. You can also save it in PDF print. You can also save it as SVG, but PDF standard is the best for documents and mailing, and also for saving PPT presentations. So guys, that is how you can basically download PPT presentations from Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.